Hi guys, welcome to JLab Virtual. I'm Terra Tate,
Hi everyone, Cramer with JLab.
and we're here to talk about the JBuds Air Play gaming headphones, true wireless,
We
and
are
the JBuddies Play.
the JBuddies Play.
We launched our kind of gaming line,
Yep.
and that was about a year ago, and now we've added a true wireless to it. So talk about that.
Yeah, so look, we believe that the transition is happening with gaming from PC to console to a tablet slash phone. And there's this buzzword out there, right? It's called omni. And you have to be omni-channel. You have to be able to sell in a store or online. And I really believe you have to be omni-product as well. You have to be able to have a product that can work with a console or with a phone or whatever you're doing. That's why we launched the gaming line in general. But taking that to the next level and offering a product that's a true wireless product specifically built for a phone was a huge undertaking for us. And we're really proud of the product we launched. And this is it, the JBud Play True Wireless Gaming Earbuds. And these are really cool. And they got a great look and feel if that's coming through on the camera. But love the way these turned out. And I think what, outside of just making a product look good and fit good, which is super important for gamers because you game for sessions, right? It can be hours that you're on your phone or your tablet gaming. But we had to make sure the latency was on point. And latency is so important with Bluetooth and gaming. So, if you're playing Call of Duty and someone's shooting you from the side, you need to be able to hear that in real time versus a split-second delay. It's not as important with music because you don't know if someone's trying to shoot you from the side while you're listening to music, right? But with gaming, you do, and so we worked really, really hard with our chipset providers to come up with a product that is super low latency, long battery life at 6.5 hours, 24 more in the case, which is awesome. And you can toggle between modes, so you can go to gaming mode or you can go to music mode, so you can still get a great experience if you want to transition and just relax and listen to some music. But then flip it back to gaming mode when you want to go shoot some folks. So just a really cool product. Super excited about it. We think it's just going to be a hit.
Yeah. Yeah, that's one of, I'm wearing them right now. And of course you can use them for talking and everyday stuff also. But when we say it's ideal for mobile and cloud gaming, can you explain specifically what that means?
Sure. So I don't know if the world yet knows the difference between cloud gaming and mobile gaming and what's happening, but as all of these new consoles are coming out this year, be it Xbox or PlayStation, they're all launching with services that funnel the games up to the cloud and allow you to play them on your phone. And then you have Apple Arcade, you have Google Stadia, you have all of these services now that are just providing content and games to play on your mobile device. And the traditional gaming guys, they don't make Bluetooth products, they make wired products. And the new phones don't have any wire ports to plug into. So you had to have a Bluetooth solution. And we're pretty good at Bluetooth. So there's the big difference of the low latency and being able to make that chipset so seamless between when something's happening on the screen and when you hear it. That's a massive part of the puzzle. But also making a product that fits and is comfortable all day long. We put our cloud foam tips in this box, so you're going to get a nice passive seal from active noise canceling or passive noise canceling, excuse me. And then it's going to be comfortable to wear all day, and that's for gamers really important.
And it's also great for talking and gaming. Can you talk about a little bit about the microphones?
Yeah, I'm glad you brought that up. And that's the other half of gaming, right? You're communicating with your team in some form or fashion. So you have to have a good crystal clear mic. And that's what we put in this. So we have two mics on each product. And what that does is it allows the microphone to pick up your voice and remove everything else. So if you're outside and a plane flies over, the person you're listening or playing with isn't going to hear that airplane. And that's difficult to do. But getting those microphones right, putting two in each earbud so it would cancel out the background noise and ensure your voice is what is picked up going forward was key.
And the form factor of this earbud is the same as the JBuds Air Executive. And tell us how you know the difference.
Yeah, the plastics are the same. And we did that because it was super comfortable. And we designed that to go all day. The big difference you can see is obviously the blue J-Con that we have, or the logo on the product itself. That's the quick and easy way. And from the plastics perspective and that logo's perspective, everything else is different. So the inside, the guts, the components, the controls are all different in how it operates. And that's by design, because this just takes a little more stuff to make a gaming experience better. So we made sure that even though the plastics are very similar to what somebody that wears a JBuds Air Executive could be used to, the inside is completely different to cater towards a gaming crowd.
Does this product work with any consoles?
It will not work with consoles. Consoles are not Bluetooth enabled. Consoles go over a 2.4 gigahertz connection. Fancy way of saying it's a proprietary kind of connection. So these will not work with consoles. These are for phones and tablets.
Yep. Yeah, just to confirm.
Or PCs or Macs with Bluetooth. Obviously, we have our built-in charge cable on the case itself, which is fantastic. Well, I think the last is, there's one other player out there right now that has a true wireless earbud for gaming. It's $100. They don't do any isolation because it's to sit in your ear. So I think it's, in my opinion, a subpar experience. And these are $70, so $69 every day. A great little product at that price.
So that's the true wireless, and I don't want to forget about, we spent earlier in the call talking about back to school and kids, and we launched the JBuddies Play gaming recently.
Yeah, the JBuddies Play gaming, and I don't have one here to show you because I'm at home, but I'm going to ask Terra to do some
I've got them
modeling for me. So I think the first thing to call out with these, if you can just show the band, like a straight on view of this, what is the size of that band? It truly is designed and made to fit a kid. It's not made to fit me or anyone else. And I think that's important. If you look at some of the gaming headphones out there, in fact, 99% of the gaming headphones out there, they're giant and they're heavy and they're uncomfortable for kids. So we wanted to give something that is easy, convenient, and works across that. I mentioned earlier that omni of platform. So this is a product that can work with your console. It can work with your PC or Mac, and it can work with your mobile device. It has Bluetooth built in, and all the cables to connect to all of the devices are included in the box, which is super convenient. And we made the talking experience fantastic. I think this is the best mic we've ever put into a product. And this is a mic that tucks away when you don't want to use it, but then slides out nicely and easily when you want to game or talk. And we found as well with these that they're fantastic for schooling from home, for people that are, that need a better experience than our traditional JBuddies line. I mean, the talking on this is fantastic with that boom mic style. That's right there.
Yep. Yes. Yeah. So it's got the same features as our Play gaming headphones. It's got the quick mute here on the side, which is a actual button.
Yep.
And that's nice. And then one of the things I like as a parent too is, hey, if they're not gaming, these are great for schooling because they are wireless Bluetooth, but you can also plug them in with that console cord.
Yeah, correct. You can plug them in with the console cord. And not to be missed with these also do have the volume limiter in there. So the 85 decibel volume limiter, so you feel safe that when your child is gaming or listening to music or what have you, they can be protected and be safe.
Yep. Yeah. So these come in 3 colors. We've got a pink
the hot
and black.
Neon pink.
Yep.
Yeah, it's such a good looking product.
Yeah, that's Taryn's favorite. This is a fun one. It's got the print.
Yeah, nice print design on it.
And then our classic black blue.
That's it, black and blue. Thanks everyone for joining us today. Really hope you enjoyed learning a bit more about the products. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for coming. Bye.